Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class where we're going to discuss previous year question paper for the subject numerical and statistical method. And here in this class, we'll focus our discussion to the numerical of Spearman rank correlation coefficient method. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the formula of Spearman rank correlation method. And in the from this in 2019, there's a 5 marks question which has came, so we'll discuss this question here in this class. So you can see this, Commute the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. So let's take down this problem. Okay, so let me just take a screenshot of this and then we'll try to solve this 2019 problem. So 2019 problem. This came for 5 marks in 2019. 2019 previous year problem. Okay, so we'll discuss this for 5 marks. So this X is given. So I hope you like this Spearman rank correlation coefficient, guys. I hope you found this easy, not at all difficult. 78, 36, 98, then 25. This is 84. This is 51. Then this is 91. Then this is 60. Okay, then 78, 20, 36, 98, 25, 25, 75, 82, 75, 82, 75, 82, 75, 98, 25, 75, 80, 82, 90, 82, 90, 62, 90, 62, 90, 62, 65, 39, 65, 39, 65, 39. This data are given to you. So this data is given to you. Now you write for Y 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, then 86, then 62, then 86, then 58, then 53, then 47. Okay, guys. Once you get this, okay, once you get the value of X, once you get the value of Y, you can find the rank of X, you can find the rank of Y, you can find in ascending order, descending order, to give a rank. So probably we give the rank in descending order. So we'll give the rank in descending order. If I first see X, the highest one is 98, the highest one is 98, followed by 90, rank 2, followed by 83, 82, rank 3, then 78, rank 4, then 75, rank 5, then 62, then 62, rank 6. Okay, then sorry, 65, rank 6, 65, rank 6, 62, rank 7. Okay, then 39, rank 8, 36, rank 9, and 25, rank 10. So we'll give rank to X and Y. Now I give rank to X. Now the same way we can do, we can give rank to Y. So the highest one is 91, 91, rank 1. Okay, then 84, rank 2. Then sorry, 86 is there. 86 is there, rank 2. Okay, 86 is there, rank 2. 86 is there, rank 2. Then 86 rank 2, then 86, then 84, rank 3, rank 3, then 68 rank 4, then 62 rank 5, then 60 rank 6, then 58 rank 7, 53 rank 8, then 51 rank 9, and then 47 rank 10. There's no repetition of rank. Okay, then what I can do, I can find the difference. 4 minus 3, 1, 9 minus 9, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 10 minus 6, 4, 5 minus 4, 1, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 8 minus 10 minus 2. You get the d, then do d square, 1 square, 0, 0, 16, 0, 4, sorry, 1 after that. 1 square 0 0 4 square 16 1 square 1 2 square 4 0 0 0 0 0 4 0 4 sorry 0 4 0 4 then sum of d square 16 then 20 24 28 29 30 30 sum of d square is 30. Here everyone, sum of d square 30. We get sum of d square 30. Any doubt anyone? Anyone, any doubt? So here you'll get sum of d square as 30. So then the value of r, r of xy 1 minus 6 sum of d square by n into n square minus 1. So the value of r of xy 1 minus 6 sum of d square 30 and n is how much? The 10 numbers are there. 10 into 10 square minus 1. Then find the value of r. The value of r is 1 minus 6 30s are 180 divided by 10 into 99. So if 9 2s are 18, so this will be 11. This is 2s. This is 9 by 11. 9 by 11 means 0.81818. This will be answer. Any doubt, anyone? Anyone, any doubt, any question? So here we discussed 2019, a previous year question for numerical and statistical method for Spearman rank correlation method. Everyone understood this, right? Anyone have any doubt with the calculation part? Anyone, any doubt, any question?